हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू गायत्री स्टेनो कोचिंग जोन। हमारे चैनल पर आपको मिलेंगी हिंदी और इंग्लिश की डिफरेंट स्पीड की डिक्टेशंस। अगर आपको हमारा चैनल अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। सो गाइस, आइए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन, जिसकी स्पीड होगी 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट।
Start. The Foreign Exchange Regulations Act 1947 is a temporary act due to expire on the 31st December 2007. Stop. It was being extended every 5 years in the expectation of better times instead of being placed on a permanent footing straightway. Stop. India is still short of foreign exchange, and I see no reason why this act should not be extended without specifying a time limit. Stop. This object is sought to be achieved by deleting the duration clause from section 1 of the Principal Act. Stop. Para. While this is the main purpose of the bill, stop. I have taken this opportunity to improve the working of the Act by bringing about certain other amendments. Stop. One such amendment relates to the enforcement of foreign exchange offences. Stop. As in the Sea Customs Act, my idea in the present bill is to create an adjudicating machinery to deal with some of the major offences arising out of the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Stop. The machinery of adjudication is detailed in clauses 16 and 17 of the bill, which provide for a director of enforcement for initial adjudication and an appellate board to hear cases of appeals against the orders of the director. Stop. The main reason for creating such a machinery is that we have not been particularly successful with the prosecution of offenders in the courts of law for various reasons. Stop. The chief hurdle in establishing a prima facie case in a court of law against the suspect is the want of missing links of documentary evidence and the difficulty in obtaining them from countries outside India. Stop. Invariably, the documents obtained from various sources furnish incomplete data, and further documents are required for establishing a prima facie case in a court. Stop. Normally, transactions contrary to the regulations are undertaken by persons in India with the direct or indirect collaboration of persons, firms, or corporations resident outside India. Stop. It has been found difficult to secure cooperation or assistance in procuring incriminating documents against the suspects from their foreign collaborators, and even when obtained, they are generally colored and not factual. Stop. Para. Banks in foreign countries are under no obligation to furnish government or the Reserve Bank of India with statements of accounts maintained by the suspects. Stop. There is no provision in the Act empowering the Reserve Bank to direct any party contravening the regulations to repatriate the foreign exchange outside India. Stop.